Hello, this is the unboxing and installation of Xiaomi Mijia Honeywell Smart Gas Alarm. It was ordered on AliExpress and it comes with the European adapter, which should be included. As you can see, this is the standard EU adapter of German type. And there's a tiny little box with gas adapter. It says Me Honeywell. So let's open it and see what it looks like. It's very similar to the fire or smoke alarm. This is where the adapter goes. And it should be screwed to the ceiling or your wall. Honeywell, there's a lengthier instruction manual than usually. This one is in Chinese. And let's see the other one. The other one is in Chinese as well. And this should be this is the adapter, because this needs to be connected to the power. And this looks very much like the American adapter. Also, you get some screws and this thing to glue it onto the wall or ceiling. So let's see how we add this to Mi Home and configure this baby. Okay, so let's see how this baby is installed in Mi Home application. We're running Mi Home app and we need to go to the Mi Control Hub, or Mi Gateway as they call it. Go to Devices and add Child Device. Now we need to select this natural gas detector from the list, and it says press the 3 button quickly. I think we need to plug it into the Okay, connected successfully. So now we need to select where it's located. So it's in the kitchen. We go next. And we'll call it just simply gas detector. Done. So when you press the button, it goes into some sort of self-test. So it's pretty hard to do the tests of this device in real time, in real world. We'll enable a monthly self-check and see what else we can find here in settings. We can change the time zone. So we will just put it to GMT +1 in Europe. Okay. And I think this is everything. Alarm condition. Please select alarm time. Very small amount of gas, little gas recommended, some gas. Okay, let's go little gas. So that's about it. Thanks for watching.